This VR headset is an Xbox. Now, if I had a nickel for every time Microsoft announced an Xbox handheld in June 2025, I'd have 2 nickels. It isn't a lot, but it is weird that it happened twice. Because weeks after giving us the Asus ROG Xbox Ally and Ally X, Microsoft has finally shown us the VR headset that it's been collaborating on with Meta. And it's this special edition Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition. It's beautiful, an excellent choice for VR gaming or streaming flat games via your Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and at just $399.99 for this bundle, it's a steal. The Xbox fans looking to dip their toes into VR, or VR gamers looking to finally upgrade their aging Oculus Quest 2 want to take full advantage of before it sells out. And Meta's warned that once it's gone, it's gone. Now, I'll be the first to hold up my hand and admit this isn't entirely what I had in mind for the Xbox headset. I had hoped we might get something more bespoke with higher quality displays than even the Meta Quest 3 to facilitate superb game streaming image quality. But after spending the past few days with this special Quest 3S, I have nevertheless fallen head over heels in love. Specs-wise, the Meta Quest 3S might have received no changes for this Xbox edition. However, as a VR device, the Quest 3S was already special. Sure, it's kind of chunky and it has a worse optical and display setup than its sibling, the Quest 3 proper, but it boasts the same top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, a respectable 8GB of RAM, and at least 128GB of storage, which is more than enough to download a great selection of the best VR games and apps out there. Plus, with its full-color pass-through video feed, this headset is an equally excellent choice for mixed reality as it is for virtual reality, especially at its exceptionally affordable price of $299.99. Though you've noticed that this special edition costs $100 more, that's because the box includes a few extra exclusive goodies. For a start, the Meta Quest 3S has been utterly Xboxified. Instead of the white plastic-clad headset we're used to seeing, this Meta Quest 3S makeover has turned it black with an Xbox green highlight around its front face panel, as well as introducing a subtle Xbox logo into its right arm, where the 3.5mm aux port would be if this was a Meta Quest 3. The controllers have received the same palette swap. Again, they're mostly black, but with some green highlights, this time on the lettering of the A, B, X, Y buttons, the control sticks, and the tightening mechanism on their straps. Back to the headset, you'll notice the usually white elastic strap has been upgraded to the usually paid Elite strap, and for the first time, it's colored black. This isn't the battery strap, mind, so it simply makes the headset sit more securely on your face rather than increasing the battery life of your VR headset. Nevertheless, it's a solid add-on that's ideal for playing more active games comfortably and which would usually cost you just under $70 if you bought it separately. But this special edition's enhancements have not only elevated its core VR experiences and made it prettier, but made it an even better option for the Xbox game streaming service Microsoft has brought to Quest headsets. You'll also find it comes with a limited edition Xbox wireless controller, which matches the makeover the other elements have received. And during the headset setup stage, you'll find it includes a 3-month Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which will be automatically applied to your connected Microsoft account. With this subscription and controller, you'll be able to use the app to stream the subscription platform's games directly to an up to 312-inch virtual screen which the headset projects in front of you, either in a dedicated virtual Xbox gaming space or in your own living room thanks to mixed reality. If you have a great internet connection, then I can tell you firsthand that using this headset to play titles like Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, Clair Obscur Expedition 33, and Oblivion Remastered in this setup is a delight. Sure, it doesn't have quite the same graphical fidelity as a wired console outputting to a 4K TV, but you can't lie back in bed with your 4K TV floating above you or have the image fill your vision unless you're willing to move your sofa a lot closer to your home entertainment setup. So VR is less of a step down and more of a step to the side. If you've been doing the math as I list off the inclusions you'll receive in this Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition bundle, you'll have noticed that the $399.99 asking price of this bundle makes it something of a fantastic deal. For a standard 128GB Meta Quest 3S, an Xbox wireless controller, an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription for 3 months, and an Elite strap, you'd usually pay $494.85, and you'd only get regular versions of these devices, not this special collaboration. That means this special edition saves you close to $100, though, as with all bundles, it's only a good deal if you actually intended to buy all of the separate parts already. That said, in this instance, nothing here feels too much like unnecessary fluff. So, if the limited Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition is still available for you to buy from Meta, Argos, Best Buy, or EE, then my experience tells me that it's well worth jumping at the chance to snag one. If you already have a Meta Quest 3 or a Quest 3S, then you're excused. But for everyone else, I can tell you, as an Xbox and a VR gaming fan, I'm certain you won't be disappointed. Now, if you don't mind me, while you check out the other videos from my channel, I'm gonna go back to streaming Clair Obscur, for like totally legitimate work purposes.